Hello guys, today we are playing Roblox and yeah, let's get started. So basically it's a troll lobby. One place is troll lobby. Oh my god. Wait, how am I supposed to do this? I don't remember. How did I do this? Ah, okay, like this. So let's just jump. It's actually a very hard game. It's not that easy. Oh yeah, look at my skills. I'm so good. I know it's this because I played this game before. Oh yeah, no trollers here. Oh no! Okay, I hate those guys. The guys are gonna troll me. Oh my god, he almost killed me. G. Or I don't know. So she's gonna troll me, I know. Okay, she's not. Yeah. So this place is hard. What? Okay. Look at this. I'm so pro. I'm getting damage, but I'm not dying. This is one place that is so hard. We did it. Jump, 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 jump. Like this. Oh, this is... I hate this place. Oh. Look how hard it is. Hard. So. Like this. Ooh. Ooh. It's so hard. I just. Okay, I'm here. I'm so happy because now is very hard place. This. Just look. These floors or something just disappearing. So I need to do very quickly. Okay, I did it. How is this possible? Ah, this is okay. Wait, what? I'm in blue. What? I'm so happy and in the first try. I'm so scared. Oh no. Oh, you need to, oh my god. I need to like this, okay. This is not that hard place. Ooh. Okay, I did it. So, yeah. I did it all right now. What is this place? Oh my god. Oh, how close it was. I hope that what is this? But I'm actually so close to it. What is this? This is easy. And so I'm gonna go right here and... Oh my god! No! Oh my god, I fell. Okay. I'm so scared, like... Yeah, jump. Go like this. It's so hard place. Oh, it was close. What is this? Oh no, what is this? Helicopter. Ooh, let's troll some people. No, don't. Wait, I'm gonna troll her. Yeah, come on. Okay. Forget. Ooh! No way. What? Ooh, I did it. Okay, so what? That's literally my record. Like, how am I doing this? Okay. No! How did I do that? What? Like, this is literally my record. Wait. Ah, okay. What? What is this? Oh. It's like that. Look how hard it is. No! Oh, this is so hard. Just look at this. Wait a second. So let's How is this possible? Boom, 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 boom. No way I did it. How did I do that? Wait, I did the last level? No way. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Normal. Normal. At the first. Okay. So, I'm not gonna do it all over again. So, please like and subscribe. Bye.